Today we are going to start a small series, and guess what? It's more fun than math. So let's hop out of our books and jump into the real world with stories, surprises, and patterns. Now, first story is about a girl Ria who has to go to her friend's house for the birthday party, and so she booked a cab. Now the condition is that she has to pay $5 just for booking the car. Not any travel yet, but just to book the cab, she has to pay $5. Okay, fine. Then, for every kilometer she travels, she has to pay $3 for every kilometer. Now, let's see how this situation works. Suppose she travels 1 kilometer, right? So for 1 kilometer, 5 for the booking charges and 3 for the first kilometer. So total $8 she has to pay. Now for the second kilometer, she has to pay $5 the booking charges, $3 for the first kilometer, it's already here, and then extra 3 for the second kilometer, which is $11. And then for the third kilometer, okay, 11 is already here, this is the previous condition, and then $3 extra, that means total 14 charges. Now let's see, is it forming any pattern? Okay, so when she is traveling 1 kilometer, or she has to travel 1 kilometer, 5 plus 3, 8 is the cost. Now because we know addition, repeated addition is actually multiplication, so here I am multiplying 3 with 2, because 3 is added 2 times is actually 3 times 2, which is 11. Now 5 plus, because 3 is added 3 times, it is 14. Now you see, every time there is an increase of $3. So yes, there is a pattern. Now for the next one, you can guess it like, because $3 have to be paid 4 times for 4 kilometers, so that will be $17. And when she has not started her journey yet, that means she is not paying the cost for any kilometer, but that is just the booking the cab. Now this $5, which is the booking cab charges, is known as the initial value, right? That means she has not started her journey yet, but even then she has to pay, so that is the initial value. And after that, every time $3 will increase. Now let's come to math, where we are going to write an equation for this. So actually cost is this fixed price plus $3 for every kilometer. This is what the situation is. If I just draw the conclusion from this one, so the situation is actually cost is equal to 5 plus 3 every kilometer. So let's say cost is y is equal to 5 plus 3, and x represents the kilometer, right? So it's a linear equation. It is following a pattern that every time she travels, she has to pay $3, or y is actually f of x, function of x, because it is an output which depends upon this input, that how much she is going to travel, right? So it is a function of input. So we can also write it as f of x, which is equal to 5 plus 3x. Now we can guess. If she travels 10 kilometers, that means I have to replace 10 with x. So the cost will be 5 plus 30, 35. Isn't it easy? We use it in our daily life, and these situations which follow a particular pattern, these situations are known as linear equations. So see how much this is related to our real life. Okay, fine. So once you understand this, if it is a linear equation and we draw the graph of it, it's going to form a straight line. So we will see that. First, try to analyze the situation properly, and then we will see how to draw a graph for that.